Hello, y'all. Hello, hello, hello. I have finished my almond bark. I have my almond bark here, as you guys can see. I covered it with a little bit of plastic wrap because I just wanted it to be protected. I am going to show you all. So I took off the plastic wrap. You guys can see, voila, that it has turned into almond bark. And as you guys can see, if I lift it, all I have to do is lift off the paper and the bark is ready. Still a little soft. Hold on. It's still a little soft, so I'm gonna let it go back in the fridge for a little while longer. But this is the bark, y'all. Look at that. I take off a little piece. As you can see. Voila! Nice almond bark. Let me try a little piece. Cause I don't like my chocolate hard, cold. That's good, y'all. If you want to make your own almond bark, it's real easy to make. Melt some chocolate. Add in some almonds or whatever nuts that you like. No pun intended. Put it in the refrigerator. Now you got to fill some almond bark. I'm gonna finish this piece and put the rest back in the fridge. I never have to buy almond bark again.